Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and today we'll discuss about scientific notation that is basically used for writing very large and small numbers in a simple way. So a number written in scientific notation consists of a decimal part, a number that is usually between 1 and 10, and an exponential part that is 10 raised to an exponent n. So basically, this is the scientific notation, and we can see clearly that it is consist of this part, that is the decimal part. Decimal part is a number that is 1.2, and this 1.2 is between 1 and 10. Okay, and this is the exponential part, and this exponential part is 10 raised to a number n. So that is the exponent. So any scientific notation, we have two parts, that is the decimal part and exponential part. Provided the decimal part must be a number between 1 and 10, it will not be 12. This is greater than 10. It can be 2.5, okay. It can be 5.299, okay. But it will never be greater than 10, okay. Now, a positive exponent means 1 multiplied by 10 n times. For example, 10 raised to 0. We know that any number raised to 0 is going to be 1. Now, 10 raised to 1 is 1 into 1 times of 10, that is 10. 10 raised to 2 means 1 into 2 times of 10, that is 10 into 10, that is 100. 10 raised to 3 means 1 into 3 times of 10, so 10 is to 10 is to 10, that is 1000. Next, a negative exponent, that is minus n, means 1 divided by 10 n times, that is 10 raised to minus 1. This is 1 divided by 1 times of 10, that is 0.1. 10 raised to minus 2, it means 1 divided by 2 times of 10. 10 raised to 3 means 1 divided by 3 times of 10, that is this much. Suppose we have 10 raised to minus 5, so we can write 1 divided by 5 times 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the answer for this. Suppose it is 10 raised to minus 4. It means 1 divided by 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is 0.0001. Now, to convert a number to a scientific notation, we have to move the decimal point either to the left or to the right as needed to obtain a number between 1 and 10, and then multiply that number, that is the decimal part, by 10 raised to the power that reflects the movement of the decimal point. So it is very simple, and let's solve this. So let's see, we have this problem now. We have this number, that is 5983. To convert this into scientific notation, we have to move to the left hand side first, to the left hand side. First there is the decimal, this place. Now I have to move one step, two step, three step. After three step, if you put decimal between 5 and 9, it will become 5.9. So that is a number between 1 and 10. So this will be written as 5.983 into 10 raised to, how many steps you have moved? 3 steps. And you have moved to the left. Left means you have to keep positive exponent. So it will be 3. Now, in this case, you have to move this decimal one step to the right. One step, two step, three step, and then fourth step we are getting 3.4. So we'll write 3.4 into 10 raised to, how many steps we have moved? 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have moved to the right hand side means we have to keep negative exponent. Okay, let's take one more example. For example, we have 0.0032. Now, how many steps will move? So, one step, two step, three step. Three steps we are moving, so it will be 3.2. Since we are moving to the right hand side, so 10 is to minus 3. That will be the scientific notation for this number. Okay, let's take one more example. Suppose we have 43200. Now from there we have to move now. So let's see. One step I'm moving, two step, three step, fourth step to the left hand side. So it will be 4.32 into 10 is to 4. Because we are moving left hand side, then exponent must be positive. So it will be plus 4. Now, this is the summary of the rule. How to express a number in scientific notation. This is the summary that moves the decimal point to obtain a number that is between 1 and 10. Okay. Second, write the result from a step 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the number of places you move to the decimal point. If the exponent is positive, if you have moved the decimal point to the left, and the exponent is negative if you move the decimal point to the right. Now, let's solve some question. The first question that we have is, in 2010, US population was estimated to be this much people. Express this number in scientific notation. So we have this. It is 308255000. So basically we have to move to the left hand side. Now, how will move? First step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Now, if you put decimal here, it will be a number that is between 1 and 10. So it will be, how many steps we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll write it as 3.08255 into 10 is to 8. Why 8? Because this is left hand side, so positive, and we have taken 8 step. 1 step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 step. Simply you can see here it is the first decimal, and we have to move to this side. So 1 step, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8th step. After 8th step we are getting this. So we'll write like this. Next we have the question, the radius of the carbon atom is approximately this much meter. Express this number in scientific notation. So let's see that. This is the radius of carbon. Now, where we have to move? We have to move to the right hand side. So exponent must be what? Negative. Now let's see how we are moving. It is the first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. So we have taken 11 steps. Then we are getting 7.0, means 7. That is a number between 1 and 10. So we can simply write it as 7.0 into 10 raised to 11. Since we have, sorry, minus 11. Since we have moved to the right hand side, so it will be negative. So 7.0 into 10 is to minus 11 meter is the scientific notation of this very small number, that is the radius of carbon atom in meter. So that's about the scientific notation. Thank you.